Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be reviewing the 40 PCS food storage containers with lids airtight. This is a practical and feature-packed food storage solution that will make organizing your kitchen and storing meals easier than ever. Let's dive into its features, benefits, and how it can make your daily life more convenient. Product review: the 40 PCS food storage containers with lids airtight is truly a fantastic food storage set. It comes with 20 containers and 20 lids, making it extremely convenient for storing a variety of foods. One of its best features is the airtight seal, which keeps your food fresh and prevents odors or leaks. Since it is leak-proof, you can store soups, sauces, or any liquid-based foods with ease. The containers are made from reusable plastic, which is environmentally friendly. You can use them in the microwave, dishwasher, or freezer, as they are microwave and dishwasher safe. Another great feature is the included labels and pen, which allow you to easily mark what's inside each container. This is especially helpful for meal prepping and organizing your food. These containers are perfect for multi-purpose use, such as storing dry foods, taking lunch to the office, or preparing meals ahead of time for the week. Amazon customer reviews. Customer 1: I absolutely love these containers. They are perfect for meal prep and storing leftovers. The airtight seal really works, and I can confidently store soups without worrying about leaks. Customer 2: great quality, and the fact that they're microwave and dishwasher safe is a huge plus for me. The labels help me stay organized, and I no longer lose track of my stored food. Customer 3: these containers are spacious and durable. I was able to organize all my kitchen staples, and they're perfect for both dry and wet foods. Definitely a must-have for anyone looking to organize their kitchen. I hope this review helps you in making a decision. If you're interested in purchasing this product, click on the link below in the description. These containers will help you keep your kitchen organized and your food fresh. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.